Menteri Ketenat CNRD U80 Mondal Layatu bagi babuan kinong pendankam yaki job card hapok ke skim MGNREGA hagajala kimpat syam la Pyniasoh yaki job card jengki bad Aadhaar kabalong katkum gecing betha na ke sorkar pedeng bad kani kawanra ke Jingeh ke bakrau ulaong ba ke bakambuan ke pisah hapok ke skim MGNREGA na ke benta gejala Meghalaya kalawan lengba ke sorkar pedeng bad Namar ke Jingbym ban pendep ya ke election kecing poi ke pisah kalabu Jingeh na ke benta kinong pendankam ya ki job card.
Mentioned those in your letter.
Yeah, one big problem we are facing is that Aadhaar-based payment system. This is creating a lot of problem for us because many of the job card holders have not linked their job card with Aadhaar. So now Government of India has made it mandatory to have all job cards to be linked with Aadhaar. So this is a lot of problems. We requested our Honorable Chief Minister to write to concerned minister. He has already written, and very recently I have again written to him. This is one challenging factor we got to see till all the job cards are being linked to Aadhaar card.
Shibuan kila ujo